Are you looking to develop your employees with the training they need to excel in their roles and grow within your organization? We're Maricopa Corporate College, and we're here to help. Powered by the Maricopa Community Colleges, we move at the speed of business, delivering tailored learning solutions designed to meet your organization's unique employee development needs. With in-person skill-building workshops, online self-paced learning, and customized technical training, we offer a variety of training options to help businesses, industry associations, and government agencies build a skilled talent pipeline. Whichever learning option you choose, you can trust it will feature relevant and impactful content, delivered by engaging, highly experienced professionals.
Originally, we came to Maricopa Corporate College to provide on-site leadership training for our clients. So in 2023, we developed the leadership cohorts that provide training for up to 25 people, multiple companies. So the cohorts allow the companies to send 1 to 2 people at a time rather than pull 10 to 12 off their floor.
What I really appreciate is the versatility in the program, from the instructors to the topics. We can really find something that fits all of our different sections.
So what our employees needed the most was English classes, and that's one of the reasons that Maricopa is here. You know, they are providing it for us as well. And citizenship classes, our team members continuously ask for them, so that's something that Maricopa is able to provide.
From the professionalism to the preparation to the highly qualified instructors, it's been phenomenal. I've enjoyed it, my staff have enjoyed it, and they've gained so much information and education.
If you're ready to upskill your team and strengthen your talent pipeline, visit us today at maricopacorporate.com. Employee development for Arizona's workforce.